Hey y'all, so today we are washing and styling my hair using TGIN products with the exception of my hair paints. So I'm starting off with the Miracle Repair shampoo. It is an intensive restorative shampoo that helps reduce breakage, prevents split ends, and repairs hair damage. And I like it because it gets really sudsy and it's easy to give me a clean slate. Next, I'm going in with the Miracle Repair Deep Hydration Mask, and I love this mask because it is super softening. It makes my hair super easy to manage. It's made with black honey and coconut oil, and I just reach for this all the time, so it's definitely one of my favorites. So I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition the rest of my hair, and I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like after it's freshly deconditioned. It's super soft, manageable, and I can run my fingers through my hair. Right after this, I'm gonna move on to the Miracle Repair Protective Leave-In Conditioner. It's also made with black honey and coconut oil. I do this step in the shower to make my hair super moisturized and make sure that it's really hydrated. Moving on to the Miracle Repair Serum, I just put that on after to lock in my moisture and move on to the Curl Balm Styling Gel. So at this point, I use the styling gel to basically solidify my style. This gel is lightweight for my hair type, but I still like it because it gives me a fluffy wash and go. I typically use the raking method for my hair, but I also shingle a few sections to give me like the defined look that I'm looking for my hair. So I just keep doing the 3 steps, leave-in, serum, gel until my whole head is finished, and yeah. Don't mind me, I'm just singing in the shower because is it really a good wash day if you're not jamming in the shower? So this is my completed hair, and I'm gonna be right back to spice it up a little bit with some hair paint wax. So as you can see today, I'm using blue and this purple color. It's neon blue and neon purple. I was trying to do like a gradient galaxy look, but at the end you're gonna see how this turned out. It's not gonna look blue or purple at all, which is super funny, but whatever, I still loved it. I'm applying this to my fresh wash and go. It's not dry yet, it's still damp. So this is just the way that I apply it. There's not really any directions on how to apply hair paint wax, whether you should wait until your hair is dry or wet. So I usually do wet to just lock it in, I guess. But yeah, this is how we're looking. I guess I should take this moment to say follow me on all of my social media. It's at Ashley Ariane on all outlets. Also like, comment, share, and subscribe, and let's get to these results. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. Last night I sat under my hooded dryer for about an hour and a half, and then I went to sleep. I woke up this morning, I stretched it with a blow dryer, and I just like fluffed it out until it looked the way that I want it to look. But these are my finished results. I am loving the color. I know the ghetto turn because I don't have like a little spin chair, but this is what it's looking like. It's not really coming off, which is a good thing. I also have on red, so I don't really know. I can't see anything, but these are my finished results. It is definitely really fluffy, really airy. It's moving. TGIN be coming through. Like, it be coming through. I loved all of their products. My favorite one that I used last night was definitely the mask. It's so soft. I wish I had more time. I need to start doing my hair early so that I can like do everything the right way. I would have put the mask on and sat under the dryer to like make it really do its job. But even just, you know, sitting around for like 15 minutes, it made my hair super soft, super just manageable. It made everything easier. So definitely one of my faves. I like all of the products that I used. So y'all see this? And look at the color.